Hi, once again, you are welcome to this English Grammar Lessons series of tenses. Today, we'll do comparison between simple present tense and present continuous tense. We'll compare them on the basis of their structure, sentence formation, spelling rules, contractions, short answers, and usage. In the end, there will be practice exercises. So, let's begin. The structure of simple present or present simple or present indefinite tense is subject plus verb, and example is I play. While the structure of present continuous or present progressive tense is subject plus verb to be, which is am or is or are, plus verb plus ing, and its example is I am playing. Now, let's compare the sentence formation. In simple present tense, positive sentences are I play tennis, you play tennis, it, he or she plays, we, you or they play. Negative sentences are I do not play, he doesn't play, or they do not play. Interrogative sentences are do you play, does he play, or do they play? In present continuous tense, positive sentences are I am playing tennis, you are playing, it, he or she is playing, we, you or they are playing. Negative sentences are I am not playing, she is not playing, or they are not playing. Interrogative sentences are you playing, is she playing, or are they playing? There are different spelling rules for both of these tenses. In simple present tense, we change live into lives by adding s. Try become tries by dropping y and adding ies. Miss becomes misses by addition of es. And go become goes by adding es. In present continuous tense, in verbs like eat, we add ing and it becomes eating. In die, we drop ie and add y plus ing and it becomes dying. Make becomes making by dropping e and adding ing. In verbs like skip, which end with cvc, we double the last letter and add ing. So it becomes skipping with double p. Coming to contractions, in simple present tense, contractions are used only in negative sentences. And these are don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, you are, I am. And in present continuous tense, contractions are used both in positive and negative sentences. Contractions in positive sentences are I am, we are, they are, he is, it's, and in negative sentences are I am not, we aren't, he isn't, she isn't, and so on. On comparing short answers, we find that in simple present, for the question does he live in Paris, short answer can be yes he does or no he doesn't. And for the question do they work in your office, short answer can be yes they do or no they don't. While in present continuous, for the question is he working today, short answer can be yes he is or no he isn't. And for the question are you working today, answer can be yes I am or No, I am not. Now, look at the comparison of usage of both of these tenses. Simple present tense is used for fixed habits and routines. For example, he smokes cigars. This is a fixed habit. She always walks to school. This is a routine that she follows. Present continuous tense is used for temporary actions and annoying habits. For example, he is working in New York now. This is a temporary action. This baby is always crying. This is a habit which is annoying and it is given in present continuous tense. Simple present tense is used for general truths, while present continuous tense is used for actions that are happening now. For example, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius is a general truth and is given in simple present tense. Water is freezing in the freezer. It is an action that is happening now. Similarly, it rarely rains in October. This is a truth. While it is raining outside is an action that is happening at the moment. Simple present tense is used for permanent situation, while present continuous tense is used for temporary situation. For example, there is difference between the two sentences I live in Sydney and I am living in Sydney. I live in Sydney means Sydney is my permanent residence. I am living in Sydney means I live temporarily for a short time in Sydney. Both of these tenses are used differently for future. For example, simple present tense is used for fixed future events like the train to Manchester leaves at 10 a.m. Here, there is a fixed time for the train to leave. In present continuous tense, there are future plans. For example, she is getting farewell party on 12 February. Simple present tense talks about feelings, thoughts and states, while present continuous tense doesn't talk about these, but it talks about only actions. Stative verbs like love, hate, believe, etc. are not used in present continuous tense. For example, look at the use of understand in both of these tenses. They understand this concept in simple present is correct. But I am understanding this concept is a wrong sentence because we can't use understand in present continuous tense. Similarly, I don't believe this. It is correct in simple present tense, but we can't use believe in present continuous form. As you have seen the comparison between these two tenses, now it's time to do practice exercises. In this exercise, there are mistakes in the sentences and you have to correct them. I'll do some of them. Number 1, she lives in London this month. This month indicates that it is a temporary situation. So we have to use present continuous tense and the correct sentence is she is living in London this month. Number 2, I am liking seafood. It is a habit. It should be in simple present tense. And the correct sentence is I like seafood. Number 4, he is always going to school at 7 a.m. This is a routine and it should be in simple present. The correct sentence is, he always goes to school at 7 a.m. Now, correct the remaining sentences and then match your answers with the answers given ahead. These are the answers. Now, exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with simple present and present continuous tense using the verbs in brackets. Number 1. Our teacher always dash us a lot of homework. And the verb given is give. We can see the sentence that it's a habit and we have to use simple present tense. And the full sentence is, our teacher always gives us a lot of homework. Number 4. Listen. Archie dash in the bathroom. Sing. It is an action that is happening now. And we have to use present continuous tense here. So the sentence is like this. Listen. Archie is singing in the bathroom. Number 6. He dash the news regularly. Watch. This is a routine and simple present tense should be used. So the sentence is, he watches the news regularly. Last sentence. She dash with her friend at the moment. Chat. At the moment shows the action is happening right now. So, present continuous tense is to be used. She is chatting with her friend at the moment. Complete the remaining sentences and then match your answers here. That's all for this lesson. There are separate videos on both of these tenses. If you have already watched them, you must have found this comparison easy. And if you haven't yet, you can watch them after this and you can see the full details of both of these tenses. I'll see you soon with a new lesson. Till then, bye.